So here are some practical examples of exactly what Sam looks like in real life on the screen. So for the purpose of this, although I've got some smart TVs that are a little bit bigger behind me, I'm going to log in on my phone. So I've got an iPhone here which is activated by Face ID and passwords. So after that login screen, that will start to load up. And as you can see, that is the exact same data that's behind me. Now, for the purpose of this, although we've got Sam in some customer locations, we couldn't use it for this video. This is some of our own test equipment that's actually currently running. Now, it's the exact same type of monitoring that we are using for our customers. It's very much looking at motors, weighing, run hours, and this is exactly what we are looking at for that type of predictive maintenance, whereby we need to look at the trends so that we can really try and reduce that downtime as much as possible. For this, we're looking at the hours runtime, for example. This is on the most simplistic view that somebody might want to change out a motor after a certain amount of time. We're also looking at the weighing and the batches so that if there are any discrepancies that we see in these trends, we can send out alerts to the customer, which are automatic, which can then alert them into any problems within the system. Another good example of SAM is our smart factory. So we've got various devices all over our factory, some of which are looking at office temperature, CO2 in the office. We've got devices on the doors so that we can monitor what that energy usage is up or down depending on if the doors are open, and then also we're actually looking at what amps our own compressors in the factory are pulling and things like that, so that we can look at that data ourselves as a good example that anyone can log in and actually see what we're seeing. We're quite happy for people to do that.